Hello, my trading friends. It's Tuesday, January 26, 2020. Cherry Bomb trade is in for today. Today, we're going to be doing a short premium trade. Yay, right? No long call verticals or long put verticals or anything like that. So, we're actually selling some premium today. In something that you wouldn't think we would because the IV rank is so low at 10. But if you get the emails from Tasty Trade, which will tell you more about how to sign up for, um, you'll see that there's an explanation for why, even though the IV rank is low, that the IV right now is higher than normal. So stick around. We're going to try to put a trade on in Budweiser. Budweiser has a liquidity rank of 3 out of 4, which you can see right above me over, pointing in the wrong direction. That way over there. All right, so that's the liquidity rank. It's IV rank of 10. And it's got some signals that make it look like we're ready to go for a bullish position. Even then, since the email was sent, it has moved up. And so we won't be collecting the premium that you see in the video. So stay tuned to the end, please, where we go over an alternative trade in case you're looking to collect a little greater premium. All right, so here we go. Let's hop into the platform, shall we? All right. Hi, my name is Neil, and I'm that little person down in that corner that you just saw talking right next to words, right? And this is Option Theory. Thanks so much for joining us. And I've been experimenting today with giving myself a round webcam. That's exciting. On screen here, you can see that we're in thinkorswim. We're using simulated trading. We do that because we want you to get all that learning. We want us to get all that learning. We're not, we're doing this for the same reason you would be doing this. Practice those skills, practice your mechanics, get all the learning without all that risk. That when you're ready, you can step up to trading with real dollars, right? But why not get that practice now? So if you're new, we said earlier we'd help you out. We do cherry bomb trades 4 days a week when we have a 5-day trading week, and we get them from Tasty Trade. Down in the description, you'll find a link to go sign up for those email lists that Tasty Trade has, one of which is the cherry bomb trades. So I do suggest you go ahead and get those. It's free. It's just a bit.ly link, so I know if it's getting clicked. So stick around to the end. We'll go over an alternative trade, and I'll give you a thumbs up because I do appreciate when you watch. So you can see here that Budweiser has come down quite a bit, as it does mention in that email. And I'll bring up Tastyworks just for a second here to show you that I do have some different charting here. If I zoom in here, we can see we're at the bottom band here. We can see that this RSI is down below 30. And the MACD is the lagging indicator here that has yet to flip. So 2 out of 3 bullish signals gives me the confidence to give it a whirl. Once again, it's defined risk. We're going to be doing a short put vertical. So if that sounds like something you're interested in doing, why don't we go ahead and give that a try? So let's click on the Analyze, Add Simulated Trade. Type in BUD up into the ticker symbol here. We're going to be in the options chain here at the 38 days to expiration, or the March 5th expiration. Weeklies. That's going to give us some less liquidity than we'd like, but that's what the cherry bomb says, so we're going to look at it. All right. So as you can see here, we'd be selling the 62 put. So if you click on the bid for the 62 put, and then you hold down the control key and click on the ask for the 60 put to buy that, protect yourself on the downside. We're looking at a 55-cent credit, which is less than the 60 something that we were supposed to get in the email. So we will go over a alternative trade, but for now, let's take a look at those probabilities after we just remind you that we have one contract here, trading small, trading often. You decide whether or not you want to, if you're looking to increase your profit, right? You increase the number of contracts, or do you increase the width? I believe Tasty Trade has done some research that it's the width that you want to play with, but go test out whatever theory you want to, right? Option theory. All right, so let's now move over to the risk profile and set our date to March 6th up here in this top right calendar. March 6th is the expiration, and I'm okay with where that expected move is here. Let's then go ahead and set the slices to break even at expiration. So here we are, finally something better than 52% probability, 63.3% probability of ending on or to the right of this gold price slice. We'll call that a 63% probability profit. And a much greater P50, if we go back to Tastyworks, the P50 that they have for this trade is a 76% probability of taking 50% of the profit before expiration. Now, I get it. I totally understand why $55 isn't the kind of thing you brag to your friends about. But this isn't about bragging, right? This is about staying mechanical and putting probabilities in your favor, and you be the house rather than, you be the casino. So I've done a little video on that one. Are options riskier than, stocks? Hopefully tomorrow I'll put a card up and you guys can watch that video. Tell me what you think about that video. All right, so now that we've got that trade, we can go ahead. I'm going to add this one by hitting confirm and send, reviewing that we can make $55. We have a 70, what did we say? I'm so bad. 76% probability of making half that, right? So, yeah, there we are. 2750, I think it is, right? That's what we could make there. 76% chance of that. We could lose $145 if Budweiser decides to continue to tank because of Super Bowl related news. Then that's what happens, and we lose the $145. But it's defined risk. You can sleep at night, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and hit send. That's gonna put that into my working orders. Let's consider an alternative that collects a little bit more profit. So go back to add simulated trade. You haven't already sent that trade. And what we'll do is we'll look at this guy here saying $2 wide. Let's take a look at 63.61. So we're going to sell the 63, buy the 61. We're looking at a 67 credit. That's that 1/3 the width of the strikes that we're looking for. And then what's our probabilities? It's going to be less. It has to be less, right? Yep, we're looking at a 58% probability of profit. And for those of you that like the P50 number, I promise, I'll go over here. It works. It's always black. I don't know why that happens. There you are. Let's move this to 63.61. And we're looking at it. I don't believe it's 95%. That's just hokey. 67. There we go. 67% P50 on. So still pretty good. That one's kind of compelling, but the P50 here is 56. I'm sorry, the probability of profit. The pop is 56. P50 is 7. Let's hop back over here to this screen. Yeah, pretty close. 58% probability of profit according to swim. So that's an alternative for you if you're looking for to collect that mechanical 1/3 the width of the strikes. I see why you'd pick that one over the other one, right? Ability to make a few more dollars. All right, my friends, if you've made it this far into the video, I want to give you your thumbs up. There it is. Bing. I appreciate you, every one of your views. And those of you that have subscribed, I'd really appreciate that subscription. What a vote of confidence. If you haven't subscribed yet, there's still time, right? I'm not going to push you. Just stick around. Every once in a while, I guess we'll come up in your feed. And if you like it, someday maybe you'll subscribe. All right. Until I see you in tomorrow's Cherry Bomb, everyone. Happy trading.